Do not panic. Yes, we admit it. Coronavirus is indeed a pandemic and spread all over the world, affecting lots of people. But let's just face the truth. Is something like getting panicked included in any solutions? No. Getting panicked will do nothing but worsen the situation. Keeping mind strong and staying aware and following some basic rules, we can stop the pandemic escalating further. Do not touch your face. WHO or World Health Organization has included one important thing in their precautions chart. It is not to touch own face, nose, mouth too often. Corona can easily enter our body via these points, hence being more cautious in this part will be a lot helpful. We often knowingly or unknowingly touch our faces, and thus it's high time we became aware of this and beat Corona from the beginning. Washing hands with soap or alcohol-based hand sanitizer for at least 20 seconds is a good practice to stop coronavirus and hence help us in this regard. Do not stockpile on masks. As stated by WHO or World Health Organization, masks are needed only for those who are infected already and those who are entrusted with the duty to taking care of them, namely doctors, nurses and medical people. So, stockpiling on masks is not preferable as it is crunching the market, leading us towards a major crisis of masks when it is needed the most. Hence, we should practice staying inside our home and lock ourselves down so that the problem doesn't escalate further. Do not travel unless necessary. We need to travel from place to place for our daily works, but at this time we should avoid places like airports, bus terminals and any place which involves a lots of public gathering. As virtually every country is imposing lockdowns to resist the spread, you should stay at home following government directives. Do not go outside unless absolutely imperative, be it grabbing some groceries to getting some medicines and the like. We might need to go out of home. Other than that, we should lock down ourselves within boundaries of home for safety of ourselves as well as others. Do not believe everything on the internet. Internet is full of lots of info regarding what to do in coronavirus, its symptoms and even cures, though it is such a disease which we found out a bit before and there is no such type of cure of this disease up until now. The doctors and the scientists are already trying to invent some sort of vaccines to cure this disease. There is not much improvement on this up to now. Don't believe those unless it comes from a reliable source or a reliable medical practitioner. Don't believe as well as don't spread any news before checking its authenticity. Do not seek alternative treatments and do not take antibiotics. If symptoms appear in you, consult a doctor and seek treatments advised by him. Alternative treatments are not found to be effective in this regard. Besides, tests reported that antibiotics are not effective in curing coronavirus and hence not the right medication. Visit a doctor and follow his advice. There is a common practice among us people who usually think that the antibiotics residing in our home can help us to cure any disease, but the fact is that these antibiotics are not that much effective. We should think that this disease doesn't have any cure up until now because we don't have any appropriate vaccines to fight against this. Hence, the only thing we can do is following the main proverb. The thing is, prevention is better than cure. So we should think that we have to prevent the disease rather than getting infected by it and then trying to be cured from it. So the main gist of the whole thing is be careful, stay safe, stay at home and keep your family safe and keep the society safe. Overall, keep the country and our beloved world safe.